Trust is our willingness to be vulnerable, to be defenseless. If I say, I trust you, it means that I am ready to be vulnerable to you. I have lowered my guard and I am ready to take that risk with you. We should trust people by default unless they prove otherwise. People want to be trusted, they love to be trusted, and they thrive on trust. Trust is a common good. It is everywhere. It is an amazing lubricant for the society. One of the key responsibility of all leaders is to inspire trust in others. It is this ability of inspiring trust in others which differentiate a leader from a manager. In this session, we will learn three things. First, we will find out what is trust and how it is important for our personal and professional life. Then we will measure your current level of trust. And finally, we will develop a customized roadmap for each one of you to increase your trust levels. In simple words, trust means confidence. The opposite of trust is distrust, which means suspicion. When we trust people, we are confident in them, in their integrity, in their abilities, in their intentions, and in their results. When we distrust people, we are suspicious about them, about their intentions, about their integrity, about their past track records. Trust is like air we inhale. When it is there, generally nobody notices. But when it is not there, everybody notices it. It is a general belief that trust is something soft, good to have, and a hygiene factor. Rather, it is hardcore business asset which can deliver measurable results. Trust always has two outcomes: speed and cost. When the trust is high, speed goes up and the cost comes down. And when trust goes down, the speed of execution go down and cost go up. Before you trust others, you first have to trust yourself. It is an inside-out approach to trust. Before you want society to trust you, you must have a solid internal foundation of trust you feel good about. Trust is also called credibility. Credibility has come from a Latin word credi, which means to believe. As a global society, we have crisis of trust in our hands. Low trust is everywhere. We want to increase the trust. The good news is that we can increase the trust levels and we can increase it pretty fast. We need to understand 4 drivers of trust to increase trust levels. We can understand these 4 drivers of trust by a metaphor of a tree. The first driver of trust is integrity. Integrity is like the roots of a tree. It is essentially under the surface. Even though it is invisible, it is very vital for the strength, nourishment, stability, and growth of the entire tree. It is a root system through which everything else grows. You can quickly increase your integrity by getting into the habit of making and keeping personal commitments to yourself, and by doing something which is much bigger than yourself. Candid and open behavior also inspires a lot of integrity. Second driver of trust is intent. Intent is represented by the trunk of a tree. It emerges from the ground. It is partially under the ground and is partially visible to all. You can quickly improve your intent by examining and refining your motives. Motive of care inspires a lot of trust. Expressing your agenda is a very powerful way to increase your intent. Acting in the best interest of everyone improves trust levels. Choosing abundance gives a boost to improve your intent. The third driver of trust is capability. Going back to the metaphor of the tree, capabilities are like branches which support your fruits and results. You can rapidly increase your capabilities by identifying your strengths and focusing on developing and leveraging on your strength. You can also improve your capability by keeping yourself relevant in this fast changing economy. To know where you are going and having capability to get there improves your capability to a big extent. The fourth driver of trust is results. In the metaphor of a tree, results are like fruit, visible, tangible, and measurable outcomes. Results are visible and appreciated by everyone. It is the final outcome of roots, trunk, and branches. Results are seen and evaluated by everyone. Without results, you don't have credibility. You can rapidly improve your results by taking responsibility of the results, even if they are disastrous. By taking responsibility of the results, you develop a lot of credibility and capability. Having a mindset of expecting to win help us in improving results. Results are all about finishing. Whenever possible, finish and finish strong. All four drivers of trust are interrelated. Credibility is the combined effect of all four drivers of trust. Like a tree, trust is also living and growing, and we can nurture it. Whether you are aware about the four drivers of trust or not, people around you will notice them. These drivers will positively or negatively impact your credibility in the ecosystem. If you understand them well, you will be able to identify blind spots and will be able to take some action to improve your credibility in organization and at your home. If you want to improve your relationship, want to decrease the friction with others, if you want to improve people's perception about your trustworthiness, you must work on improving integrity, intention, capabilities, and results. Thank you.